My name is Louy Qoaide from the German Aerospace Center, the DLR. I'm here in Marrakesh on this conference, Solaire Expo conference, to make a presentation about the enerMENA capacity building program, training program, which includes several modules to support several people in several levels in the CSP field. And when I'm talking about several levels, I'm telling about now engineers who are making the engineering of the power plant, CSP power plant, solar thermal power plant, CSP power plant. I'm talking about professors at universities to teach their students about this relatively new old technology. And then I'm talking about project planners and project managers, the bosses of the engineers actually, who have to make efficient planning of solar thermal power plants. So finally we're talking about engineers at utilities who would like to gather expert information about CSP, which help them to get involved more or less in the CSP field. So it's in a summary about that capacity building program that I have introduced today. I have started a very ambitious solar plan a few years ago, and what I like here that Morocco has started to implement this plan. Actually, it's a good point actually to say, because it's not very common to start implementing. So we have here in Morocco, it's a very good example actually for the MENA region, North African region, that to have a very clear legal framework, institutions which implement their plan, solar plan, Moroccan solar plan. And I have to mention here, for example, the MASEN, Moroccan Solar Energy Agency, support of ADRI, support of ERASEN, and here in this regard I have to mention the ROINET, the network of Moroccan professors. So you see new institutions who deal actually in implementing the solar plan of Morocco, which is not really very common. Something touchable here in Morocco is actually you can see, starting from a few years, projects. It's also good news and good advancement in the solar field here. For example, we have the Wazazat project, which includes 0.5 gigawatt of CSP and photovoltaic technologies, a power plant actually, including a testing platform in which we are, as DLR, involved in actually this test and research development platform. Is the first project in a cluster of projects, as was mentioned today, of 2 gigawatt to be constructed until 2020. Actually, we see that this has started. This project has started, and we'll see in few months, hopefully maybe 1 year, something on the ground. Beside the project in Bani Mathar, actually. I was surprised actually to see this large-scale Solar Expo. I have here also second of its kind now in Marrakesh. It gives a very positive impression actually to involve people come from industry, from marketing, from academic research, development institutions to get together, talk about this topic, and to search ways to implement these technologies.